you all, you just missed a show. Steven's pants got caught on fire. And I had it on pause. See that hole right there? He was on fire. I said, you're on fire, you're on fire, you're on fire. And he was just getting after me about using the pause button on the camera, and I had it on pause. And look, his pants were on fire. And then he says, I bet you didn't get that on film, did you? His clothes were on fire. Steven's clothes were on fire. He's like, there is a pause button. And I was like, I know that. And so I was using the pause button, and then his pants got caught on fire. And then, I bet you didn't get that on film, did you? Yeah, his knee was on fire.
Come on.
Somebody's enjoying a show. Are you enjoying the show? Yeah, that would have been something to have Steven's pants on fire. Oh, that just reminded me of Liar, Liar, Pants on Fire.
Remind me of Liar, Pants on Fire.
Yeah, well, your pants were on fire. Well, and the first thing he said was, I bet you didn't get that on film.